Hello, beautiful people. It is Kanika popping back in with another video. This video, y'all, we are going to be diving into our organizer toolkit bag or cart. I guess it's a cart because it has wheels, but we're going to walk you through the things that we have in there, talk you through the reasoning why we have those things, and then show you how we organize our toolkit bags so that we can be, functional and just efficient when we are on client projects. Now, if you are a professional organizer, whether you've been in the game for a while or maybe you are an aspiring organizer, this is going to be a really helpful video for you because it gives you the opportunity to see what another organizer has in their space, why they're using those things, and then how they kind of keep it tidy on projects. Now, before we dive into that, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like and comment on this video if you find it helpful, but then also do us a solid, hit that subscribe and notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we post a new video. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and dive into what we have in our organizer toolkit. Okay, so this is our organizer toolkit, y'all. It literally fits in this section like a glove, like pure perfection. You'll see that it has about what, 1, 2, 3, 4 towers or sections to it. They all kind of look a little bit different inside, but let me pull it out to kind of give you a full view of it. So it has this handle that comes up past, right? So you can tilt it. It's pretty sturdy. And then it also has these straps to kind of hold this handle in place when, you're using it to roll it. So this is a full 360 of it. I actually got this cart from Amazon. Amazon literally has everything, but this is what it looks like. And then let me go ahead and show you the inside. Okay, beautiful people, let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the first layer. We have our gloves here. We use gloves pretty much on all of our projects. And then when you open up the sides, so what I really like about this organizer is that it is very easy to kind of micro organize the different things inside. So again, we have our gloves. On this side, we have our writing utensils and things like that. So pencils, pens, our, chalk markers. These are oil-based chalk markers. We absolutely love these because they are longer lasting. We use them more so than we use our regular chalk inks because these kind of wipe off really easily. So that's what we have here. On this side, we have our box cutters and our scissors. And then look how this is micro organized. These are things that we always need on hand at our client spaces. So we have, anchors and screws, command hooks. Y'all, if you have followed me for any length of time, you know I am a stickler when it comes to command hooks. And so we just gotta have it. Just keep it on stock. We have our little glue dot so that things are not slipping and sliding. And then these guys, I like these. These are like, for picture frames to hang and hang things like that, or just lightweight things. These little hooks, these are fantastic that we have. And then bin clips. We just always use bin clips. So we have a good assortment of colors of bin clips here. And so that is what is on the first tier. So here's the second. So we have our prints for our label makers. This is, just the tape that we need. Then we also have these small little organizers. These are for some of the handy woman stuff that we have in our tool bag, which is in the car. This is just like stuff that didn't fit that we still just want to make sure that we have on hand for the instances that we do need them. These are labels. We don't use these often, which is why we have so many, but we do have them just in case we do need them. These are just chalk tape for labels again. So those markers I already showed you are the Sharpies. We would use them for this. We have magnet tape as well. Y'all, this is like super clutch when you need something to hang up on like some type of metal or something like that. Just get these. You never know when you're gonna need them, but when you need them, you wanna have it. Always wanna make sure you have your business cards on file. See if you can see. There you go. Our business cards on file. And again, more label tape. Absolutely love these. And our Post-its, just to make, labeling projects a little bit easier when we're kind of still working through the process of decluttering and even organizing when we just use Post-its to label things to know what we have to create labels for when we go back. That's the second. We go ahead and put this back. Third level, glue gun. sometimes we need this. We don't need this all the time, but it's, again, just making sure that when we do need it, we have it on hand. These are plastic shoe covers. Sometimes we go on client spaces and they like for us to cover our shoes, but obviously we don't want to take our shoes off because, you know, we have the shoes for a reason, to make sure that our feet don't hurt. So we just put the covers over our feet. And then if you do not have a Velcro zip ties for cord management, it's a necessity. You need to get these. We get these from Amazon. They are just really, really helpful. And they come in, you know, an assortment of sizes. So you can use the really large ones as well for, you know, wrapping up hose or, you know, really long extension cords and things like that. So this is a nice to have, or I'm sorry, a need to have in your organizer toolkit. And this is the last bin. This is the largest size of the bin. So we have Lysol wipes just to kind of do quick cleans for shelves and things like that, or drawers. We have our tape measure, necessity. You need to have these. We have a little mini vacuum. Again, we use this for small cleanups. We don't do a lot of like cleans for our clients, but something small where, you know, this would be helpful. We always have these on hand as well. You might be wondering why I have this big old blow dryer. I have this dryer for, y'all, those adhesives, the sticker labels that are almost impossible to get off. Just having this just makes it so much easier. All you need to do is plug it in, heat up the label, and it literally comes off like clockwork. No breaking your nails, no scratching the plastic, nothing like that. These are just, you know, perfect. So I have one of these. We also have black trash bags for when we are decluttering with our clients, or even trash, just getting, you know, that stuff out of the way. Making sure that we have bags on hand is also really helpful. You already know we have our label makers. We have about 5 different label makers. We have these ones, and then we have our Cricuts. So the Cricuts are not in here. Those are in their own bags, but we take those on projects when we need them. Museum gel, so that things are not slipping and sliding in the drawers. So like when we're using drawer organizers, we just take a small little piece of, museum gel, and, you know, just put them so that things can stay put inside of the drawer. And then lastly, we have another drill. So we do have a whole toolkit or tool bag in the car that just stays in the car, but we have 2 drills, so we have the second one in here. But that is basically our organizer toolkit. It stays organized because we kind of micro organize it with other drawer dividers, but this is it, and these are all of the things that we need on our project. If you don't have any of this stuff, you need to get these things, and again, I'll link the stuff in the description box below for you. All right, beautiful people, I'm hoping you found this walkthrough helpful of all of the things that we have in our organizers toolkit. If you feel like we're missing something, please let us know. Drop it down in the comment section below. Otherwise, again, like and comment on this video. Hit that subscribe button so that you can subscribe to our channel, help us grow, and then also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we post a new video. All right, beautiful, we will see you guys next week. Peace.